here's the outfit of the day. My white linen shorts, my Rami Brooke crop top, and this beautiful new tweed blazer. Obsessed by Sink Accept. Got it on sale. What a cute outfit. And since I'm driving all the way to Newport Beach today, I'm bringing some backup pieces because I'm shooting content. I'm bringing extra shorts, trousers because it's a bit colder there. Okay guys, here's the final look. I'm obsessed. I'm not wearing these shoes, I'm just driving in them. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Louie's in the back. Say hi, Louie. Headed to Newport Beach today. I'm going to Fashionphile. I'm going there because I found a really beautiful, stunning Chanel jumbo bag. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys this bag. It's one of my favorite colors. I actually have a bag in this color from this collection. It's from 2021. It just is one of the best bags I've ever seen, and therefore I'm driving to Newport Beach at Fashion Island Mall. I filmed there before. I'm not really filming there, I'm just going to pick up my bag. Also guys, I wanted to show you how beautiful this blazer is. I mean, just look at the detailing. You know, I paid $239 on sale. The original price was, I think it's like a $600 blazer. One of my favorite brands. It's a Parisian brand. Everyone is at the mall today. It is packed. Changing my shoes. This is the rest of the store, but the store is tiny. Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing for my Fashionphile Chanel Jumbo bag. This is one of the most beautiful bags I've ever bought, solely because it's one of my favorite brands and it's my favorite color. So basically, my experience with Fashionphile was phenomenal. I don't know if it's like that every location, but the Newport Beach location, as small as it was, they were extremely nice, so friendly, very helpful. They had other beautiful bags in the store, as you saw, beautiful Birkins and other Chanel bags that the colors were just phenomenal. The sales associate said that they only take in bags to resell that are, you know, either like pristine or amazing condition. They only take in great quality bags, so that is another reason why I will shop with them again. I really loved that. By the way, my dress is from Amazon, and I will link it down below. It's very affordable. It's definitely under 50 bucks, and it comes in so many colors. It's like a beautiful princess dress. I love it. I took out my hair extensions. I recently got my hair colored in LA at a new salon, and I love my hair. I think that I will be going extension free for most of the summer as my hair is properly colored now, and it's also growing out. It's healthier. I've been taking care of it, doing masks. I put leave-in conditioner in my hair because I do color it blonde, so my hair is definitely much healthier. I'm going to unbox this really quick. I know you guys already know what it is, and I've posted it on my Instagram, and it's probably in the thumbnail of this video. Just wanted to really kind of go over my whole process buying this bag. So the Chanel jumbo bags right now, I just looked it up. So the bags, with the price increase for 2026, these retail in Chanel, this size for $12,600. That's like a Birkin. That's insane. There is a maxi, which is I'll pop it up on the screen. It's a huge travel size. Those are $13,200 in Chanel stores. Again, this is the jumbo size, which is the biggest double flap besides the maxi. So I love my jumbo. I also think the medium is ridiculous right now. It's $11,700 for the medium double flap, which is right here behind me in white. Those are now $11,700. So those are the price increases. I wanted this bag mainly, and you'll see why in a minute, because it is pristine condition. I screenshot it. Fashionphile said this Chanel bag was excellent condition. So the next one up would be brand new. And I honestly, this bag was literally brand new. It still has the stickers on the C's, and there were no scratches, no sign of wear. Insane. It is basically brand new. This is from the 2021 collection. I have another bag from this collection in the same color. It's the trendy bag in medium. You know, I love Tiffany blue, and this color is technically called green in the Chanel family, but I think it's Tiffany blue. In my mind, it's Tiffany blue. I love Tiffany blue. It's beautiful. Whenever I wear my trendy bag, everyone, like, they always ask me, like, where did you get that bag? What season is it? I got that trendy bag in the Chanel store in Worth Avenue in Palm Beach. I walked in, it was like the last bag in that color. Never had a trendy before. I actually love it. I think it's beautiful. It's a medium, which is bigger than most bags, but the trendy and medium, I still love it. I was browsing online one day and this came up, and I mean, it's the same color, same collection, and I saw the condition and I just had to drive down to the store. So basically it came with a brand new, the original Chanel dust bag, Fashionphile. I'm so lucky to have actually gotten the Chanel box too. A lot of the bags did not have a box. Like I said, this bag is basically new. So it came in Fashionphile dust bag as well for protecting it. It's a cute velvet, very sturdy. And even though I've worn it 3 times, it's perfect condition. I take really good care of my bags. This color is just so beautiful, pristine, brand new, and here she is, so beautiful. So this is the caviar leather quilted Chanel jumbo double flat bag. Chanel calls this bag green. I think it's Tiffany blue. Obviously they legally can't call it Tiffany blue, but I just adore this color. And I'll come in close to show you. So there is still plastic on the C's, and that's how I know it's never been worn. Like, one, the plastic is still on here. I'm actually debating whether or not I should take the plastic off because it's preserving the metal. So I don't know if I'm gonna take it off anytime soon. I haven't yet. Honestly, like I said, perfect conditions. There's no sign of wear on the bag. When I got it, it's like the person bought it in 2021 and just never wore it and kept it in their closet, which is, those are my people. I love people like that because I can buy it and it's brand new. It has a big pocket in the back. I typically put my phone in that back pocket. You open it up, it has the pocket in here, which I honestly never ever use that pocket. Here's the double flap. It has the Chanel C's, and you know, it has this pocket in the front, and then they did put this bubble wrap inside, and they gave it to me so I can store it that way. Here's the inside, gorgeous. This color is stunning, you guys. So I will say I got really lucky with this bag. Retail for, you know, a little over $12,000. I paid, and this is like brand new, this bag. No one's ever worn it, and I paid $81.85 for this. I have wanted a jumbo forever. I didn't want to get like beige or black in this size. I wanted something that for sure popped, and I think this really pops. So it has the 2 pockets here, the lipstick pocket. They guarantee authenticity. I'm not getting paid for this, you guys. I honestly went in and bought this bag after finding it online. I drove like 3 hours there to get it in Newport Beach. Fashionphile tag. I kept that. There's the Chanel price tag in here from Chanel, and Chanel calls it light green. And there's also the card from Chanel, the authenticity card. This is my dream bag, you guys. I mean, I've already worn it. It's just honestly something I can hand down to my daughter one day, and it's just gonna stay in the family. This is one of the most gorgeous bags ever. Look at that. And for size reference, so for size reference, I want to show you the difference between the jumbo and the medium. Most girls have the medium here, and this is the same leather, caviar. And they're both silver hardware. I will say Chanel bags last a lifetime if you take care of them like anything. They just seriously last. Just to compare, this is the jumbo, same year, same collection, caviar leather, and then this is the trendy, and this is a medium-sized trendy. And I love these because it has this beautiful Chanel. I probably have to clean this, I'm sorry, there's probably dust on it. It has this beautiful Chanel metal plaque right there, and you can also wear it the long way, which is how I typically wear it. So these are gorgeous, same color. This is calfskin leather. It's very smooth. I have to be very careful when I wear the trendy just because it's so smooth. I think it was like $6,500 back then, but then again, the price increases have happened since 2021, so the trendy and medium is definitely more than that. So now I have 2 of these beautiful, beautiful Tiffany colored bags from Chanel. So grateful, so satisfied, and that is my Fashionphile unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.